Now, this is the screen that we left in our last video, and we developed this law of logarithm. Log of xy equals log x plus log y. Let's write it down somewhere special, and then we can look at another law of logarithm. So let's write it down in this corner here. Log of xy equals log x plus log y, and the base of the log is a. All right, good. Now let's just erase some of these things that we have to make space. I'm going to make space for the next rule of, or the next law of logarithm. And by the way, remember to share the video and make sure you're subscribed, and also any question, comments, and so on and so forth, you put it in the comment section. Now, suppose we write this expression: x is equal to a raised to the power of n. All right, we want to rewrite this from index form to log form. Remember now, one way to remember what to do is to say log of 1000 equals 3. The base is 10, and 10 to the 3 equals 1000. So the base of the log is 10. The base of the index is 10. The base of the log is 10. The base of the index here is a. So when we log, the base of the log is a. All right, you see that? Now, in index form, the index is 3. In log form, it is the answer. The index is n. In log form, it is the answer. And then, here, we see that in log form, we have the answer. In index form, we have the answer 1000. In log form, it's the number that we log. We log 1000. So, in index form, the answer is x. In log form, x is the number that we log. So you see that? So the log of x is equal to n, where of course the base of the log is a. Now we look at it and say, suppose we have x is equal to a to the n, and we raise that to a power. So we raise this to the power of what we want to raise it to the power of. So we raise it to the power of m. All right. So we say x to the power of m is equal to a to the n. And then that is raised to the power of m. All right. In other words, x to the m x to the m is equal to 8 is equal to a to the power of what? It is n m. All right. So that's what we have. After that, we say, what can we do with that? Let's rewrite it in log form and see what happens. So we're going to rewrite this in log form. What we have is a to a power. A is the base of the index. So when we log, we say the log of whatever we're going to log. The base of the log is also a, since it's also the base of the index. Here, remember 3 was the number that was the power, and in log form it is the answer. Here, this is the power in the index form. In log form, it's supposed to be the answer. So we have equal nm is the answer. And then we see that 3 is the power. No, the answer in index form becomes the number that you log in log form. So the answer in index form would be like m, or x to the m. It's the number that you're logging when you come to log form. Right? So you see that? But here we have log of a, the log of x to the m equals nn equals nm. So what we do with that? Let us look at what happened here earlier. What is n? N is the same thing as this. You see that? So what can we do with that? We can say the log, the base of the log is a, and we're logging x to the m, is equal to n, but instead of writing back n, we write what we have up here. Alright? It is log, and the base is a, of x, and then we put back the m down here, and we have times m. But then we could put the m in front, you know, and rewrite this and say log with the base a of x to the m is equal to m times log, where the base is a, of x. Alright, now that is what we have. Log of x to the m equals m log x. That is our second law of logarithm. There we have it. Alright? So, let's write it up here beside the first law. So we have log of x to the m equal m log x. So log of x to the m equals m times log x, and the base is a. Right? You see, it's as if we just make the power jump in front and come here. Right? So there we have our first two laws of logarithms. Next time we look at another law.